Have you ever seen a plant that looks like spinach but actually belongs to a different family and still gives your body a powerful boost of vitamin A? This is Basella alba, commonly called Malabar spinach. It's not a true spinach, but a fast-growing, climbing vine, especially thriving in tropical and subtropical regions of Asia and Africa. Its thick, fleshy leaves are rich in beta-carotene, a natural pigment that your intestine converts into vitamin A with the help of specific enzymes. Vitamin A supports vision, boosts immunity, and keeps your skin healthy. Alongside, Malabar spinach also carries iron, vitamin C, calcium, and unique plant antioxidants that protect your cells. Science shows Malabar spinach helps reduce oxidative stress, supports bone health, and even aids digestion thanks to its high fiber content. Its mucilaginous texture also soothes the stomach and improves gut health. You'll find it climbing fences, walls, or trellises in warm, humid climates. It grows quickly during the rainy season and is a favorite leafy green in village gardens. People enjoy it in soups, stir-fries, or as a cooling green in curries. Just a handful of these leaves can deliver a natural vitamin A boost, making Malabar spinach not only delicious, but scientifically proven to be nourishing.